Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Namrata and today's video is about Club Factory haul. This is the first time I ordered from Club Factory and yeah, I am quite impressed with everything. So I confirmed the order on 25th December and the order delivered in my house on 6th January. So it takes about 10 to 11 days to reach it to your place. So yeah, so talking about packaging, I am quite impressed with the packaging. Every small thing comes under this kind of envelope. So this is a small kind of envelope and everything is inside this, and yeah, it was nicely wrapped, and then all of these things comes under this it comes in this zipper bag. So yeah, I was quite impressed with the packaging. Everything was really nice packaged. And so that's all about packaging and delivery time. Now let's get started with the haul. So I ordered about 5 to 6 items. I didn't purchase any clothing item because I was not sure about how will that turns out to be. So yeah, I got accessories for myself. And yeah, one little suggestion before purchasing or before confirming any product which you want to purchase, read all the reviews. You will see pictures, you will see people commenting like how they like it or not, the size of the product. So you will, if you read reviews, then I think you will gonna love your products. You will be satisfied with your product. So reviews are very important. So first item which I am least happy about are these goggles. So they look pretty nice, but they don't suit me. The quality is really nice. It's sturdy plastic kind of. So second product I got are these earrings, and I'm quite loving these earrings. They are like simple square silver earrings, and yeah, they are simple and really nice. Third product I got is this comb. I expect it to be a little bigger comb, but it is of this size, like less than my palm. But this comb is quite nice. It's really handy. You can keep it in your sling bag and everything. So yeah, next product is this one. And yeah, the price of every product and the link of every product will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. So the next accessory I got is this, the set of these earrings. So yeah, I think it was quite cheap. Yeah, it was quite cheap, and the quality is really nice. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of earrings. It was quite nice. The next accessory which I got is this belt. Yeah. So the buckle of this belt looks like this. Looks like this. And the quality is really nice. It's a long sturdy belt. The quality is really nice. I am quite impressed with the quality. It looks really classy. So the last item which I got from Club Factory is my favorite, and is this bag. So this bag looks really nice, and it is quite spacious from inside, and the quality of this bag is really good. It has some threads coming out from here and there, but I think from the price point of view, this bag is really nice. And yeah, this is my favorite purchase from Club Factory. So yeah, that's all about it. These are the items which I got from Club Factory, and I hope you like it. And if you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and comment down below which is your favorite item. And yeah, see you soon. Bye.